All right, so excited to see this new album. Gonna unbox it here. Love these boxes, nice quality box. This one's a traditional album. This was Faith and David's album from September 28th of this past year. Let's check it out. Set the red line in. We start off with getting ready and first look and some family pictures. Some portraits of the bride and groom. Some family pictures. And then the ceremony. Everybody coming down the aisle. The bride being given away. Everybody looking on. Beautiful ceremony. Stomping on the glass. Gotta love that in a Jewish ceremony. Then a little celebration afterwards. A couple of more portraits. And then party time. Some speeches. Cake cutting. Dancing with mom and dad. And then lots of partying and dancing and having a great night. And a nice brown leather. Beautiful album.